goal, of course, is to make money, make enough money to take care of your family and friends, be rich enough to take care of all the things you want, hustle. But then, some people work on Mondays to Fridays, while other people work on Mondays to Saturdays, while some very special people work on Mondays to Sundays 24/7. I know they must feel like superhumans of some sort, but when the body begins to ask questions, it breaks down and then they fall sick. You need to chill out sometimes. Over the weekend, it was an amazing moment of fun and music and entertainment at the beach, Lagos Island, Nigeria. And of course, Auto Xpat was there live to give you all the gist. It's Summer Splash, baby. Check it out.
What up, what up? My name is DJ Sose, aka the Tattoo DJ. Right about now, you're watching Auto Xpat, your guide to safety. Keep watching it. Don't change that channel. Peace.
Natural disasters can ruin things in seconds. Order turns to chaos as works of days, weeks, months, and even years can be destroyed in the twinkling of an eye. However, a lot of people cause these destructions for themselves by not being security conscious at all times. A dwindling headlight could be very catastrophic. A car could skid and slide into barricades, causing fatal explosions if the driver doesn't take precautionary measures. Hence, on this program, we're always preaching automobile safety and general safety. Hello automobile lovers, it's a safety ambassador Ono Sepia, and with me is the charming and delectable.
Yeah, you do know how to flash it.
I know, right?
I am Ego-shizzi, and you're welcome to this exciting, entertaining and informative episode of your best rated automobile and safety TV program, Auto Xpat, your guide to safety.
Right about now, we're reporting from the Elegushi Beach in Lagos State. It's the Smooth Summer Splash Season 3. Hello Sosa, how are you doing?
How you doing, bro? You alright?
I'm very well. We're talking about automobiles. I'm sure you love cars, fast cars.
Yeah.
What is your favorite automobile?
Lamborghini Diablo.
The Lamborghini. Can you tell me why?
Because it's fast and it's a bull, it's aggressive.
Tell me safety tips that people should adhere to when they're driving.
Just remember that everyone on the road doesn't know how to drive as well as you do. So be alert, be cautious, and don't forget to use your brakes and always wear a seatbelt.
So that is how we wrap it up on this segment of the Summer Splash on Auto Xpat. Like DJ Sosa said, not everybody on the road is a good driver just like you are. So consider the fact that some other people can't drive as much as you do. Ensure to be safety conscious at all times. As you remain your safety ambassador Ono Sepia, and this is how we wrap it up on the Summer Splash 3rd season. Have a lovely day. Signing out.